accessorizing your outfits is really important, and everyone has their go-to accessories. I do too, and today I want to share with y'all my 3 favorites and most important accessories in all of my outfits. I am not really a jewelry guy. If you followed me for a while, you've probably noticed that, but I'm trying to get into that, so there won't be any jewelry in this video. Also, these are probably not the most surprising picks, but I will give you my reasons for each of them and give you some alternatives and how you can adapt them to your own liking. But before getting into the 3 fashion accessories, let's talk about this accessory. This is probably one of the best accessories for your health. This is the Magic Mind Mental Performance Shot. This is meant to better your productivity, your thinking, your mental health, reduce your anxiety and your stress. And I've been drinking it for like 2 weeks now. This is my last bottle actually. And it's been helping me a lot. Like, actually sick today, maybe you can hear it from my voice. Despite that, yesterday I still managed to work for uni, work on videos, and go to the gym while being sick. And I don't think that without drinking this for like the last 2 weeks, I would have been able to do all of that while being sick. And just today, I am still sick today and I'm recording a video with no issues. Well, maybe my voice a bit, yeah. But other than that, I'm good, I'm feeling good, I can work. So if you're interested, you can check the first link down in the description and use my code MABSOLUTE20 for up to 48% off your first subscription for the next 10 days. And if you're not satisfied, you get a 100% refund. Thanks to Magic Mind. Okay, so first accessory. This will maybe come as a surprise for some of y'all, but I actually wear glasses. They're actually dirty. I don't know why I put them. I think they're dirty. I haven't cleaned them today. I'm seeing myself better in the camera as well now. Oh, this is good. Anyway, I wear glasses. Now, I don't wear them all the time, but I do need glasses for reading, working. I still wear them a lot, but not in every situation, because I don't really need them that much. I still need them. It's better for my eyes. If you're a close friend, you probably saw me more with these than without these, but outside, when I'm walking, when I'm just hanging around, I won't have these. And also, I need to change them because they're pretty old. I need to make a new test. But I'm not just talking about glasses like this. I'm also talking about one of the best accessories you can get, sunglasses. Why I love these is because you can really get crazy with it. Like, you have these more sports glasses. I really like this small detail here. I don't know if you can see it or it's too blurry. That blocks the sun but also the wind when you wear them. I really like the shape of them, the way they look. They're extremely comfortable. I have them for like a few years now. These are from Decathlon for all my European friends, and I don't know if Decathlon is available anywhere else, but yeah, you can really get some pretty nice looking and quality sunglasses for pretty cheap. You don't have to go like sports glasses. I like them, but you can go more retro styles, more street styles. There's something for everyone, and you can find something you like, and you can mix both. You can have like your prescription lenses on your sunglasses. I'm thinking about doing that with these because you will see me with these in the street and then with the other ones inside. That's basically how I am 90% of the time. The 10% is when it's raining and it's night in Belgium because the weather is fucking trash here. Glasses, sunglasses, prescription glasses, or just the glasses people use to make people think that they need glasses, they are a really nice way to just add some detail, and also when you wear them you act different, you know, people don't know what you're looking at. I'm talking sunglasses of course right now. It kind of blocks something. You feel less anxious, less stressed. At least that's how I feel when I wear them. You know, like wearing a mask. When people wear a mask, they tend to act different, not especially in a bad way. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. You know, there's a side of you that's unlocked when you wear sunglasses, and that's why I love wearing sunglasses. It makes a lot of my outfits better. The next accessory. Now, why am I holding this? Well, because it's written Bose, I think you know where I'm getting. Headphones. Now, I love music. You can tell I love music, you can tell I love music, and there's a bunch of other vinyls, CDs, and in my room. I love music. I have a whole ass channel just about music. Well, it's in French, but I mostly talk about music there, and it's my main channel for those who did not know. I love music. It's my whole life. My dad used to work with music. I love music. So headphones or something to just listen to music is really important to me, and it's a way to show my personality, you know. These are the Bose Quiet Comfort, the newer ones, in this like gray taupe colorway. I really love the look. I don't like black headphones because I wear a lot of black clothes, so I like my accessories to be a bit different. I'm saying that, but my glasses are not really I mean, the glasses are black, but not completely black. And the next accessory, yeah, forget about it. But I like my headphones to be a different color. I used to have these. These are just JBL's 550 BT Live. I think that's how they were called. These were my sister's, but she was never using them, and I needed a pair of headphones, so I used them for like a year or two. The sound quality on this is not the best, but I had them for free, so I won't be complaining. So these were white. I know this is fucking yellow now, but they used to be white, and I really like when my headphones are not black. I wanted gray headphones, but I could not find them, and I did not want white headphones because like with the JBL, they get yellow, so I did not want that. The older versions of the Quiet Comfort had a gray colorway, but not this one. They have the black one, they have a white one, they have a blue one, a gray one, and they have this one. Like, I saw it in store, I saw the box, and I was like, yeah, close enough, bought them, and when I opened them, I was like, wow, these are gorgeous. Why did I choose these? Because you may be wondering, you love music and all, why do you have Bose headphones? Because Bose has a pretty nice quality, and I tried a bunch. I was hesitating between the Bose Quiet Comfort, the ones I got, and the Sennheiser Momentum 4. Why did I choose the Bose? Well, it was a tough decision because Sennheiser had the better audio quality, like hands down the best one from all of the headphones I tried in that budget range. The comfort, the aesthetic, because I love music but I also like fashion, so I want to mix both of these passions into one. And even like the noise cancellation, which is really important to me, was better here, while the Sennheisers had a better sound quality, a better battery life, but they were heavier, bigger, and also they had something that I really did not like. See, the Bose have buttons. Everything is with buttons. The Sennheiser were tactile, and I really dislike that because it's so easy to just do something, and yeah, I did not like that, and I needed something that will be comfortable on the daily. Eventually, I ended up choosing the Bose. I also tried Sony headphones. I did not like them. I'm sorry. I was pretty disappointed. I expected a lot from them, but I was disappointed, and I did not want Marshall because Marshall is pretty... Yeah, no, I did not want Marshall headphones. No GBL, no nothing like that. I wanted something a bit more high-end. That's why I ended up choosing the Bose Quiet Comfort because, well, they had everything I was looking for, and the sound quality is nice. Not as good as the Sennheiser, of course, but I had to choose, and I ended up choosing these ones. Now, do you need headphones? No. Some people don't like headphones. They're too heavy, they're too big for them. I can totally understand. AirPods, earbuds, all that. I have AirPods as well. These are really old AirPods. I'm just using them when I'm at home to watch videos or something. I do not use them as much as when I first got them, which was probably like 5 years ago, but they're still working pretty fine, and I'm not complaining. It's pretty handy to have them around. But yeah, ever since I moved to headphones, I'm not going back. I'm not gonna lie. I used to have headphones before these as well, but I thought that this would be more practical, and everybody was wearing them at that time. That's why. And also I got them with my phone, so I did not pay that much with them. I don't know why I'm talking about my AirPods now. Anyway, my point is that you do not have to use a headphone. You can have AirPods, earbuds, something similar, and there's like so many different headphones. You don't have to get like this kind of headphones or like the AirPod Max, you know, that everyone wears. Like, why? They're expensive, the sound quality is not that great. Yeah, they look cool, I agree, but I think these look better personally. They have more character. I don't know, I just like them. You can go for more retro vibes. Like, if you don't care about the sound quality, you just want something aesthetic, Marshall, yeah, you can get some Marshall headphones. There's a bunch to choose from. I prefer this, something that covers my whole ear rather than something that just pushes against, but some people prefer the opposite, so they will get smaller ones. There's something for everyone. You can get cheap headphones that sound pretty nice, you can get more expensive headphones, you can get something in the middle like this. Everyone can find something they like in this category, I feel like. I also think that combining this with sunglasses looks pretty cool, so that was the second accessory. Now let's get to the last one. Now for the last accessory, I know a lot of people would be mad at me for this because, well, the first two were nice, nothing special. Maybe you expect something new, something surprising, but I told you, this is just to share some of my advices, something I like, something I think anyone can pull off, whereas jewelry, I think it's harder, and also I'm not a big jewelry guy like I said, but I have other accessories that I can use for another video someday, so if you're interested, let me know down in the comments, and one day I'll make a second part to this with more accessories, different accessories, because I still have a bunch, but these are my 3 priorities. That's something I always have with me. So the third one, bags. A bunch of them. This is not everything as well. So let me first show you the 4 bags I use the most, and then I'll tell you why. My most used bag is this one. This is the utility bag from Uniqlo. I use this on the daily, like for uni and stuff. It fits a lot of stuff. I'll still have my uni stuff inside, so I'll probably not show it. It's water repellent. You can use it as a tote bag, or you have straps and you can use it as a normal backpack, but I pretty much never do that. So yeah, this is like my daily school work bag, and I think everyone should have a bag like this one. Maybe not the same style. Again, like the headphones and the sunglasses, this accessory is something you can really personalize to your liking, get something that's more fitted to you. That's something I really value in accessories. So I personally really like this bag. I need a bag like this, but there's something for everyone else, something more smart, something more young. This is like a middle ground, and I really like it. You have the summer alternative to that one, just a simple tote bag, you know, like blank. There's the Uniqlo logo here. It's pretty wrinkly because yeah, I should do something about it or just get a new one, I guess. But I don't use it as much because this is mostly for the summer, but summer in Belgium is pretty much non-existent, so we can just forget it. It's just a tote bag. You need a tote bag, at least one in your life. That will help you a lot, trust me. Now we have this bag, which is pretty old now. It was from Bershka. I don't know if it's still available because I bought it like a while ago. I am not gonna lie. You know, when you're just going out, just hanging around, and you want something a bit more classy and simple, this works pretty well. And also, I just want to say to all the guys watching this, get a bag. Trust me, it will change your fucking life. Yeah, I know some of y'all maybe will think that this is girly or something. Trust me, it's not. It's amazing. It will, like, it's so annoying having your phone, wallet, everything in your pockets. Get a fucking bag. You don't have to get something like this. There's like so many variants. Get something. Get a bag. Promise you, it's gonna change your life. Fake leather, obviously. Like, I don't know how much I paid this, but it was really cheap. It was really practical. But remember when I told y'all I liked having non-black accessories? Well, obviously with two of these bags, it sounds like I lied to y'all, but here's the interesting part. I wanted to switch from this. I wanted to switch to something a bit more colorful. Here's my new bag. I think people are gonna fucking insult me in the comment section though for this one. Guess the brand. Of course it's Uniqlo. Everybody knows this bag from Uniqlo. This is the best cheap bag you can get. It was like 15 or 16 euros. It fits so much. Like, wait, watch this. This is a 500 milliliter flask. There's still room inside. No, I do not use it this way, but you can put so many stuff inside. It's fucking crazy. It's not expensive. It's good looking. There's a bunch of colors. There was a corduroy version. I wanted that one, but they did not have it in store. I will get that one day. They have a bunch of variants of this. This is really one of the best bags you can get, especially for the money. There's a reason why people are going crazy over it. And I bought it in this cream colorway, because I love cream, and this is replacing the Bershka bag I've had for years now. I really like it. Plus, when you combine it with my headphones, a whole black outfit with a touch of colors like that, can't beat that, can't beat that. So yeah, a bag, I know it sounds dumb, but trust me, if you're a man, you've never had a bag, buy one. It will change your life. I swear to God, it will change your life. You'll thank me, you'll thank everyone, and plus, it looks good. Like, yeah, a good bag makes any outfit better. I'm sorry. It's not awkward. You can accessorize it. I like putting my keychain here, or you know, the Bershka bag also either here or like here with this. It adds something interesting. Really, you can't beat that. Trust me, get a bag one day, you will thank me. I have other bags as well. These are just the ones I use the most. Same as my glasses. I don't only have two pairs, like prescription glasses and sunglasses. I have a few other as well, but these are just the ones I use the most. That's the good part with these accessories. Like, there's so many variants, there's so many alternatives. They're so easy to style. Anyone can pull them off. They're affordable for the most part, or at least you can find affordable alternatives if you're looking for that. That's like my three main accessories. Maybe it's nothing new, maybe it's nothing crazy, but it's simple, it works, and I really like them. I cannot see myself without them. And like I said, I have a bunch of other accessories. Maybe one day I'll do a video about them as well. Thank you for staying until the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked my three accessories. I know, like I said, nothing crazy, but I just like them, you know. And if you haven't tried some of these, then definitely give them a go. They're a safe bet for anyone. I again want to thank Magic Mind for sponsoring this video and the last two videos. If you're interested, check the first link in the description and use the code MABSOLUTE20 for up to 48% off for the next 10 days on your first subscription. And if you're not satisfied, you get a 100% refund. Again, a big thanks to Magic Mind. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, share, comment. Tell me what are your favorite accessories. Tell me if you liked any of these. Tell me also what accessories I should try. You know, like I said, I'm trying to get into jewelry a bit. Let me know some good pieces I could try. Subscribe and turn on the notification. That will help the channel a lot. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm really active there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!